Well, good afternoon. Well, I did some tractoring work here at the end of my driveway this morning. Yeah. Yes, I put that rock there. Yes, I did. See if the little pricks decide to spin up the end of my driveway tonight. But anyway, I did some much needed smoothing out of the driveway. We had a couple of bad storms and the driveway got washy, so I smoothed it all back out with the tractor. Let's see. Plus there was deep ruts across the bottom of my driveway this morning when I came out through here. I bet there won't be tonight. We'll hear it. Anyway, yeah, I smoothed out this. I know it's not perfect, but I ran the tractor for 2 hours. That's about all I do with the tractor, is about 2 hours. It tends to, try to overheat. That's an old tractor. If I can work 2 hours at a time with it, I'm happy. There was a lot of digging and dragging with that too, up in high gear. So it also washed out in this corner, and I was able to get that smoothed back out. But that's what I'm doing today. Tractoring. I guess we call it tractor therapy. Well, everybody, have a nice day.